This is a demonstration of some of the tools that are available to super administrators of the system that allow you to both launch reviews, keep track of reviews, and allow for a quicker completion of the performance review process. This is the Manage Review screen, which is only available to those that are given the super administrator status. So this will only be probably given to whoever is set up to be part of the performance review management team. What this screen allows you to do is see what reviews you currently have set up. In this case, we have got a competency review, we've got an objective review, and we've got some combined reviews. More specifically, what I can do is see the details of a specific batch of reviews that has gone out. As you can see here, this batch of reviews has 4 employees in it. By clicking on the link, it'll give me a more detailed outlook as to who specifically is in this batch of reviews and where they are at within the process. I can see I've got 4 employees that are in a committed state, meaning that they have set their objectives for the year and they've been approved by their supervisor. If I want to add more employees to this batch, I simply click the Add Employee link and I can go ahead and search for any employee within my college or university, simply add check marks, and add them to the batch. A very easy process that allows a large number of employees to be added into a review batch at once. Additionally to this, I can now use this very easy drop-down function to initiate these employees into a batch. With simply one click, what this means is this entire group of employees process will begin. Once again, as an HR administrator, you can always come into the Manage Review screen and constantly be having a touch pulse on what's happening with the actual review process. This allows for a really nice, efficient way of moving the process along in a timely manner. I can also specifically look at a specific employee within a batch, which gives me a little bit of information about them, their status, their supervisor, their next level supervisor. I can use these modify links to make modifications where needed. I can remove employees, or I can move them to different batches if necessary. These are all really easy one-click functions that allow you to manipulate and move your review process along as needed. I also have the ability to see when specific employees have completed their review, or I can click the report link and see where things are at within a specific review. There's also print buttons that are available to you. Some of the other things that I want to point out on the left-hand side is within the System Administration folder. This is really the area where you will work with the PerformanceObjects team to create your actual review within the system. In here we have a large selection of currently built-in competencies that you can pull from and feedback questions, or as we earlier stated, we can simply take your current paper process and move it into an online system. This is a great opportunity to allow for enhancements or modifications if needed, so we have some very capable members of the PerformanceObjects team that can work with you to specifically design your specific review. Each of these areas is customizable, allowing you to add your own measurement criteria, your own specific competencies that you might have, or a specific set of questions that you want included in your review. This is just a brief demonstration of some of the areas within the system. If you're interested in a more detailed demonstration, please contact the PerformanceObjects team and we will be happy to guide you through this.